Pose space deformation is a computer animation technique which is used to deform a mesh on skeleton-driven animation. Common use of this technique is to deform the shape of a mesh, for example, an arm, according to the angle of the joint, in this case, the elbow, bent. Although the name is commonly called pose space deformation on many scholarly articles, 3D animation software rarely uses that name. On Autodesk Maya, it's implemented under the name Pose Deformer, and on Blender, it's implemented as shape keys. The first famous application of this technique was the cloth movement on the first episode of the animated film The Animatrix. Articles 2000 Pose space deformation, a unified approach to shape interpolation in skeleton-driven deformation. 2009 Practical experiences with pose space deformation. External links. A Pose Deformer plugin for Maya. Procedural muscle and skin simulation. Animatrix pose space deformations. Commercial lip service plugin. References.